Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this video we're going to talk a little bit about maintenance when it comes to your Panasonic microwave. Specifically, how can I extend the lifespan of my microwave itself? How can I make sure I'm using it as best as I can? Well, to do that we're going to cover four main areas. First of all, where you're using your microwave. Secondly, how you're using your microwave. Thirdly, how you're treating your microwave, and lastly, cleaning and maintenance of your microwave. So first up, where you're using your microwave. Now we have got some videos on our channel about this already, about placing your microwave, but just to recap, it's really important you have your microwave on a flat kitchen surface. Try not to have it close to any other appliance that's going to emit heat, so it's generally not a good idea to have it next to your oven or hob or any other large appliance that gets hot. Thirdly, make sure you keep the top of the microwave clear of anything. I know it's really tempting to rest something on the top of your microwave. Don't do that. It's not good for the microwave. On top of that, it will get warm and hot, and you may damage whatever you put on top of the microwave as well as the microwave itself. Other than that, just make sure you're giving enough space around the microwave so those vents can work to the best of their ability. So that's where you're using your microwave. Now, how you're using your microwave. Now, this comes down to making sure you're using the correct cooking mode for the type of food you're cooking, whether that's a whole roast chicken or French fries, or you're just reheating that microwavable meal. It's really important that you look in the operating instructions, or you have a look at our Experience Fresh website to make sure you're using the correct cooking mode for the food you're cooking. Next up, how you're treating your microwave. Now, microwaves are like any other appliance in your home. If you treat them with love, then you'll get that back. So I know it can be tempting to slam the door, to press the buttons really hard, to be a little bit rough with the dial and things like that, because we're all in a rush. But if you just take those few extra seconds and go a little bit slower with it, a little bit more careful, you'll be amazed at how much longer your microwave will live for. One of the most common problems we have with microwaves is the doors sometimes don't close correctly, and that can be that we're just slamming the door too many times and too often. So again, if you just take it slow, treat it with a little bit more love, you're going to get that back in tenfold. The other thing is, make sure you're using the correct accessories and utensils with the microwave as well. So you're only using the recommended Panasonic accessories that come with the microwave, and you're using microwave proof dishes and plates as well. Really important you do that. You don't want to be using anything that isn't suited for the microwave environment. It's really not good for the microwave as well, and can really do it harm. And lastly, well, most importantly, cleaning and maintenance of your microwave. This is such an important element of microwave use that customers often forget about, but it helps so much if you're cleaning your microwave after every use. I know it sounds annoying and ridiculous, but it can do wonders. If you give it a quick wipe every time after using the microwave, it means this thing is going to perform so much better for so much longer. You'll be amazed. On top of that, when you're cleaning it that often and you're having a look inside, it's a really good way to keep on top of any maintenance, or you can spot any issues that might be occurring before they come into before they become a problem. And one of those things is, if you've got a turntable microwave like the one here, you will notice on the right hand side that there's a waveguide cover, and this is a really important piece of material, and if this becomes broken or damaged in any way, it can be terrible for your microwave's health and for its performance as well. So when you're giving it a quick clean, just a really quick wipe down after you're using it, you can check to see if the waveguide cover is still in good working order. On top of that, if you're spotting any signs of sort of trouble on the inside of the microwave with regards to, any sort of peeling or any damage that you're seeing there, give us a call straight away and we can help you out in terms of getting an authorized dealer to have a look at it for you, or we can talk you through any further troubleshooting steps to help you out. So I hope you found that useful. It's a whistle-stop tour of some of the things you can do to help massively increase the lifespan of your Panasonic microwave. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.